You worked hard in your A-levels or IB. You got decent predicted grades and you got offers from your dream foreign universities. But result day comes and your actual grades are short of your predicted grades. Does that mean the end of your study abroad dream? Not necessarily. If you're a high school student watching this video, stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to tell you what options you have if your final high school grades fall short.
Are you ready to explore opportunities that await you overseas? We provide guidance on selecting the right program, university, and location, tailored for your professional goals and career. To achieve your overseas goals and aspirations, go global with Shalee Global.
Welcome back. I'm Hassan Shariq, former International Admissions Manager of York University in Canada and Deakin University, Australia. I myself studied at Macquarie University in Sydney. In the last 14 years, I provided university counseling to hundreds of students like yourself facing the same issue. Actual high school results being lower than the predicted. The fear that arises out of this situation is, will my university offer be cancelled? Will my visa be rejected because of the lower grades? Is my entire study abroad plan over? To answer this, if you have lower than actual grades in your A-levels or IB, it doesn't mean your study abroad dream is over. Predicted grades exist for the reason that at the time of university application, your final results from A-levels and IB are not out. So universities use your O-levels, your AS level, and your school predicted grades to assess your academic profile and make conditional offers. Universities do expect that the actual results can be different, in many cases lower. Take for example that you got accepted to a bachelor's degree in UK. The predicted grades were 3 Bs in A-levels. Now your actual result is short of that. What happens now? Assume you got a BBC. The university will quite likely accept you for the same program. You may get the opportunity to submit a letter explaining why you had a lower result. You got a BCC, but you were admitted to a competitive program like computer science. The university will likely offer you an alternative major, like a BA IT, and then you're well short of the cutoff for the major that you got admitted to. They may revoke the offer. If you're just short of one grade, then the universities will look at more than just your grades. They will consider the following: your school's academic reputation, your own personal statement, your performance in other subjects, usually the relevant subjects, and whether the course still has available seats. If your grades are significantly lower than you predicted, what happens then? Now you need to be proactive and be realistic. The options you will have to stay on track of your study abroad plan will depend on the country that you're applying to. But primarily, you will have the following major options available to you. Number 1, change the course to a slightly non-competitive course in your selected university. Number 2, change the university. Many UK universities participate in the UCAS Clearing process. This is when you can find your desired major in a UK university that still has spots left for that major. Number 3, change your study destination. If you get rescinded from the US, you may still get accepted in the UK or in Australia. And a pro tip here is that Australian and New Zealand universities have their academic session start in Feb. So you can be there if you have had offers revoked in August and September, say from UK, USA, Canada. Next option is opt for a pathway program. Many universities across the world offer foundation and international year 1 entry pathways for students who are not academically very strong. These options are great if you don't want to waste a year as a gap year and still study and graduate from a well-reputed university in your desired major. In many cases, you won't need to study an extra year either, and you can study in top-ranked places like Russell Group universities and Group of 8 universities in Australia. Next option is deferral to the next intake. Many universities offer the same program in multiple terms around the year. You may resit for the exams and apply for the next term. A very important point: low grades do not automatically mean visa refusal. What matters for visa is that you have a genuine student profile, your financials are in place, there is a logical academic progression, and a credible explanation of your study plan. It is your university or the college that has to look at your grades and make the admission decision. Visa officers do not look at grades as such. I have seen many students with average to low grades successfully get visas for UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and other destinations. So, not meeting your conditional offer isn't the end of the road. Don't panic, whether it's UCAS Clearing, Canadian rolling admissions, Australian intakes, or foundation pathways, there are always backups and second chances. The key is to understand your options and make informed decisions. At Shalee Global, we help students explore these alternatives so their study abroad journey stays on track. Drop an email if you're interested in seeking counseling from our admission advisors for any stage of your study abroad journey. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon in another video on the topic of studying abroad. Take care.